again about my collection cars. First, the car Bonnie is a no roof car, and I believe it's the booster brake car. And the Golf Ride is the cover engine car. Then Lancer Stratos is a spoiler car. Next is Nissan Etios all-wheel drive car. It has this spoiler you can see. And now this is an Etios. This is a four-wheel drive car. And you see this spoiler up here in this thing. Next, I have the Porsche 911 Camera 4S. This is a big light car, and they got wheels and different lights. Next, I got the Roadster 08. This is a dirt car in Ghost Road. This is a monster car. Next, I have Bone Shaker. This is a truck with this thing in back and this thing in pipes in a box. It can speed, and this is a car truck, booster car truck, and see a skull here and the lights in the hand. This is the last one of the collection of my cars.